Born on 27 January 1756 in Salzburg, Austria, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was a musician capable of playing multiple instruments who aligned himself with a variety of European venues and patrons, composing hundreds of works that included sonatas, symphonies, masses, concertos, and operas, marked by vivid emotion and sophisticated textures. The music of the Renaissance and Baroque periods was transitioning towards more full-bodied composition with complex instrumentation. The siblings traveled to the courts of Paris, London, The Hague, and Zurich, performing as child prodigies. Mozart was summoned to Vienna by Archbishop von Colorado, who was attending the accession of Joseph II to the Austrian throne. Mozart quickly found work in Vienna, taking on pupils, writing music for publications, and playing in several concerts. During this time, Mozart also began to keep a catalogue of his own music, perhaps indicating an awareness of his place in musical history. Mozart's death came at a young age, even for the time period. Yet his meteoric rise to the fame and accomplishment at a very early age is reminiscent of more contemporary musical artists whose star has burned out way too soon. At the time of his death, Mozart was considered one of the greatest composers of all time. Prachyo, a Bengali theatre group from Kolkata, West Bengal, going to stage its next production in 2015. A drama based on the life and work of Mozart. It's a tribute to a legend of the 15th century in present era. The play will be directed by Biplab Bandyopadhyay, a director of his own style and genre. Prachyo is a theatre group from Kolkata, but is famous for its work presented all over India. This theatre group is performing since 2009. Biplab Bandyopadhyay succeeded as the main director and a new era started in present Bengali theatre. It did not take long for Prachyo to transform from a pure performance-oriented theatre group to an organization with a broad range of projects and performances, including the annual National School of Drama Theatre Festival 2015. Time frames upon him as if his days are numbered with acute illness and starvation. He lived by creating history on his own. Even in his dark, saddening surroundings, he finds the musical note. Like an exiled folk singer, he who pleased to utter, "If there is life, there is lyrics." Tragically short-lived, but he left his creation for eternity. His eternal composition transcends the boundary of continents, bringing absolute solace to our souls. His musical essence helps the world to erase out our monotony of life and welcomes us to the spiritual world of sound. As it says, the darkest hour of the night comes just before the dawn. Mozart has spent all his life to create dawn. Alexander Pushkin, in his Mozart and Salieri, the play reveals the enmities and conflict between Salieri and Mozart, representing the clan of have and have-nots. Even the play Amadeus, written by Peter Schaffers, reflects the battle between triviality and eternity. So Prachyo, the Bengali group theatre, and Biplab, the director who has chosen the age-old character Mozart as it is contemporary and relevant to our Indian society, where devil drives the destiny of the disheartened man. To realize this, you have to delve into our next production. Though Mozart has short-lived, but he still burns bright in our heart.